Good. Tim?
Tim Weiskell. I'm curious, in the discussion of CCS, why there's been avoidance of the most obvious and continuous and proved technology, namely living plants. The whole point of fossil fuels is that it's fossilized CCS, right? And at the current structure of things internationally, we're actually expending fossil fuels to destroy topsoils, which are the biggest bank of carbon, far bigger than the atmosphere. If, again, we get Dan on it, sort of, change the incentives, the green lights, the red lights, couldn't we reorganize agriculture to become less, not just less petro-intensive, but actually carbon stored focused on building topsoils, building fertility over the long run, building the world's food supply, increasing its nutrition, and capturing the carbon at the same time. Now, you can argue that scale is the problem here. But in fact, the IPCC did studies recently under Professor Mumma from Tufts University and costed it out, not just in terms of active agricultural production, but the reclamation of grasslands. If you rethink herding on grasslands, right, from domestics through the ungulates in the African plains, you can switch the carbon release, which we're currently fostering, to carbon capture.
Thank you. Panelists, you want to take that one on?
All I know is we're going to need to get rid of a very large amount of CO2 over this century, and we're going to need to get rid of it permanently so that it doesn't leak back out again in the next century. I don't know how we're going to do that.